Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to compare ZimaOS and HexOS. ZimaOS is a NAS operating system built on HexOS, designed to provide a simple and user-friendly experience. It works well on devices like the Zima Cube and combines local storage with personal cloud features. Users get a unified dashboard to manage storage applications and remote access. ZimaOS also offers an app store with over 500 Docker-based apps, including media servers, AI tools, and smart home integrations. While it's easy to use, some users have raised concern about default permissions and data privacy, and its resource usage can be higher due to integrated features. HexOS, on the other hand, is built on true NAS scale and targets DIY NAS users who want flexibility. It supports a wide range of hardware and provides a modern, web-based interface for managing storage and applications. HexOS offers a lifetime license for the basic system with extra features available via subscriptions. Since it is relatively new, some users report bugs, missing features, and potential reliance on cloud connectivity for management. Overall, ZimaOS is best for users who want a simple, ready-to-use NAS with built-in cloud features, while HexOS is better suited for those who want a flexible, DIY NAS solution and are comfortable managing potential stability issues. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you get some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.